At sunrise, this gray Brahman bull is still one animal. By midnight, it may belong to 3 strangers. One will eat the meat, one will carry the leather, and one will hold the polished horn handle on its lid. Without ever knowing, all 3 came from the same bull. The meat goes cold. The hide goes into the tanning drum. The horn goes under heat, pressure, and polish. By the time the factory doors open again, the bull is gone. What remains is beef, cognac leather, and a trunk sold across the world.
Let them through slow. Still missing 2 out back there. That's it, last carton sealed. On this one?
Yeah.
Throw some more on that corner. Eight crates, matches the order. Marbling's strong, top grade.
Top grade.
Approved, send it to packing. Weights locked in, labels on straight. Horn goes left, hide goes right. .500 cycles, swap the die. Let's proceed with the die change. .25 millimeters passes.
Screw holes are even, solid.
Load the next one in. Matches color perfectly.
Close.
Clean on this side, move it through. Send it to the shaver next. Yeah, looks perfect.
Yeah.
Grab the next one. Tag this batch cognac. Push it into the dryer. Temper's right, send it to buffing. Feed in the next panel. Stitch spacing's even. Hold this corner firm a sec. That's set, on to the next corner. This corner's square, flip to the other side.
Pull the tension up on this side. Stapled, lies flat now.
Clasp bites solid, sounds right. Clean all over, no surface flaws. Right placement. Outer seam's fine too.
QC tags on, send it to packing.
Settled right into the foam. Labeled, edges are clean. Wrapped tight, secure.
At sunrise, this bull was still one animal. That was 6 months ago. The meat sold out in a single morning at a butcher counter none of us will ever see. The leather has a scratch on it now, from a key someone dropped in a bag. The horn handle has been opened and closed so many times, the polish is starting to dull. None of them remember being one animal. And right now, behind this same factory, another bull is standing at the same gate. It does not know either.